Hey guys, what's up? Today is the first video of 2 videos where I'll be recording and mixing a Phonk track. In this first video, I'm just going to put a basic idea together and get a little bit of an arrangement going. And then on the second video, which will come out soon, I will go into the additional production and the mixing phase. But before I start, could you please like, subscribe, and press the bell for future content to help support my channel. Thank you. Phonk music seems to be based around the 808 cowbell and playing a melody with that. So I'm going to start with that. So first I get a cowbell and I drop it over here and I go to quick sampler optimized. That then allows me to play a cowbell pitch. I'm going to record. That'll do. So first cycle that, quantize it. Go into the sampler, get the length on it with the release. Then next what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a sampler instrument. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to select a multi-sampler. And I'm then going to select my trap sample bundle, which you can get from my website. And I'll add the link down below. And I'm going to just go with hats. Yeah, maybe that's a good one. It's nice and dirty. In record. Quantize. Right, nice. So I'll copy that track exactly, go into the sampler, and I'm going to select a kick from the same trap bundle, which is this one here, kicks. Let's find one that really sits nice. Yeah, I like that one. Here we go. Into record. Compress it. Maybe a few too many. So that's that. Then another one from that kit. The snare. That's nice. Excellent. Delete that one. Put quantize on. Drop all these down a little bit. Okay, and then next I'm going to copy that again and again go to my bundle. I'm just going to copy that a few times so that we've got a bit of a longer loop. Then I'll go into record. Okay, maybe we just make that slower. Twice as long. Oh yeah. Okay, and then to get a bit more space for the kick and bass, I'm just going to sidechain that 808 with the kick. Nice. What I want to do now is I want to get those beats and I want to make them a little bit more crunchy and rough sounding. So I'm going to put them all off into a bus very quickly. And then when I'm on that bus, I'm going to probably use a bit of decapitator. Nice. I'm going to apply the same thing onto the bass and get a little bit more out of it. Let's see what happens if I put a bit of that on the bell as well. Stay hydrated. I'll go with Busta Rhymes, Missy Elliot. That'll do. So drop that in there. Now all I'm going to do is going to try and find a couple of lines.
It's Busta back, bitch. I'm killing them crazy. We off the meat rack sick. I'm spilling the gravy. Got every club packed thick, creating a frenzy. And be the latest, greatest, all you niggas fugazi.
That section there. Okay, it's close. A little bit further.
Busta back, bitch. I'm killing them crazy. Busta back, bitch. I'm killing them crazy. We off the meat rack sick. I'm spilling the gravy.
So, and then I'm just going to chop that vocal up a little bit. So first I'm going to set this up for no overlap so that when I drop it, it deletes what's underneath it. So
Killing them, bust back, bitch, I'm killing them crazy.
Like, let's have a listen.
Killing them, bust back, bitch, I'm killing them crazy. We off the meat, racks, and gravy.
Right, I think it's, what about if I go the other way? Yeah, and then this half, copy another channel exactly the same, drop that down there. So hang on, we do need some sound on it, but we need to make that the opposite way around. So that's like really excellent. So now we just got to continue making that sound like something. So really nice, like decapitated this time. And then to really go onto the next level, put a bit of width into that. And then a little break to have some hydration. Okay, and then I'm going to get all these channels to still sound a little bit more dope, put them all together to a new bus. We try another decapitator and just use it to kind of pull the top end off. Yeah, and before that, let's put a bit of reverb on them as a space verb. For now, just it's quick. Let's go with something small. And then EQ the cowbell, get a little bit more of that. Okay, that's starting to rock a little bit more. Obviously, we'd need to spend more time on that, but it's just a quick vibe. So before I go any further, I think this 808 can do with a little bit more top end on it. That's not too bad. We could go for a little bit of, let's try a vocal double on it. I think we need to just level it off a bit more hi-hat, bring the kick down a little bit, and yeah, the cowbell seems a bit, doesn't seem, maybe that the reverb doesn't work. Yeah, and all of those, everything goes down and cowbell goes up basically. Okay, so that could be a bit like the main section. And then I just need to have a bit more texture there somewhere. So let's get a texture sound next. Into record. Okay, something like that. And then quantize it. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly put on a modulation. Fourth, because we're running at 160, it's double. Then I'm going to put the stereo panel and just reduce the width a little bit. Yeah, I don't like the way it jumps up there, so I'm going to remove that and just double that over. So if we were to quickly arrange it, it might be interesting to start off like this and put this on a half tempo. And then maybe drop that like that. We start with that there, so there. So we then go to the tempo, and then at that point there we go up to 160. So 2 tempos. Take the kick out, snare out. So then the only other thing I could just add in for now would be like a little pad thing underneath it. So again, I'm just going to go to Alchemy for quick use for all the Logic users, but you can use any old keyboard for this, of course. And then maybe we'll just put a little pad, try and get something bright. Yeah, and then we could probably just extend that a little bit by holding down Option. Okay, and then I've just brought this in. We're going to line that right up when it drops there. Okay, and then I've also just imported a little insect sound because I think it sounded quite nice when I by accident found it in Splice. Okay, so I've just extended that pad as well. So obviously in the intro here you do some vocal bits, but it's just to give you an idea of what can happen. And that's it. So that was my first Phonk beat. Not sure what you think about it, but obviously it needs a lot of arrangement, needs a lot of additional stuff doing to it, and the arrangement is going to make the difference as well. But yeah, let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you like it. Message me, and all the links that I discussed about my libraries, etc., they're all down below. So please go there and have a look. There are some other sample packs there that you might be interested in. And I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell for future content. And I'll see you soon. Bye.